Hello, everyone. This is your market update for January 5th, 2024. Jobs numbers came out and they were higher than expected, 216,000 versus the anticipated 170,000. And the unemployment rate remained at 3.7%. They thought it might tick higher to 3.8%. So overall, this was better than expected, and markets are moving. So the 10-year Treasury is jumping. This was a long, drawn out decline, and we were overdue for a bounce, and this is causing the dollar to rise as well. So I'm not sure how far we're going to go. We probably could come back up to the 4.30% level on the 10-year. At a minimum, I think we should see a retracement to there, and that's going to pressure probably everything lower, most assets. Over to gold. Gold initially was down and reached a low of $2,030 after the initial news, but it has come back some, and prices are currently trading at 2,000. Well, we'll call it 2,050. So yeah, the big jobs number, I'm not sure. I think that will eventually start to push gold a little bit lower. I think the reason it's bouncing now is because we had a major drop in the participation rate, which was the lowest in nearly a year. So that's a factor, and that's probably what's helping gold a little bit right now. We'll have to see what happens after the 9:30 open. Over to silver. Prices are bouncing, and they're actually up, currently trading at $23.29, up about 0.5%. And they could form a swing low. We were due for a bounce, so my guess is we're probably going to bounce a little bit, and then we'll come back down. Prices rarely correct a straight line, so this isn't too unexpected. We probably see a bounce here about up to the $23.80 to $24 area. And platinum, it was down also, had a low of $953, and now we're back up trading at $968, which is up about 0.25%. Overall, I think, like I said, after 4 down days, we're due for a bounce, and we'll probably come back up. I don't know that we'll test the 1,000 level, but probably 980, 990, and then we'll roll over. I'm still thinking we're going to at least come to the $940 to $950 area. And then lastly, miners. This is a fairly symmetrical pattern. I like this. We're probably going to see a bounce today that could come up to fill this gap. Really, prices would have to close probably once or twice above this gap, and the close there was $30.56 to make me think that, okay, maybe prices bottomed already. But yeah, I don't see that right now. So we're probably going to bounce, fill this gap, and then come back down for a final low, hopefully in mid-January, or maybe a little bit later, depending on how things play out. So that's it for now. I hope everyone is doing well. Have a wonderful week, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.